How to fix Monster Hunter World Wild black screen error. Now, this problem usually occurs or happens if you set it up your graphics into maximum level. Now, if this is the first time that you encounter this issue or having a maximum amount of percentage on your graphics while playing the game, then all you have to do next is just by simply updating your current graphics drivers. Now, the second thing that you can do is to check if all necessary files, if you're playing it under Steam, make sure that all files that you have for Monster World are intact and are not missing. Your last resort is just to delete your saved files from your Monster Hunter World. To do so, just simply go to your File Explorer, and then once you have opened it up, just go to your local disk, program files, and then just simply locate Steam, and then in here, just simply find the Monster Hunter World folder. Once you have located it, just go to Save Files and delete all of them. Try to relaunch the game to see if it is already working. So those are the troubleshooting steps that you can do for you to be able to fix black screen on Monster Hunter World Wilds.